everyone, welcome to Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package that contains the EasySMX V18 wired gaming mouse. If you follow my videos, you probably remember that I already reviewed several products by this brand, EasySMX, and I had a very good impression about them. As for this mouse, let's find out together what's inside, how to use it, and what I think about it. So let's not waste any time and unpackage it. Now let's go to the bottom line. I would describe the overall look of this mouse as futuristic, extroverted, but then again this mouse targets gamers. What I like the most about this mouse is that it fits perfectly to the palm of my hand, from the pinky toe to the thumb. The software is quite similar to other gaming mice software, and it's supposed to get new updates occasionally. It would be best to use it with a mouse mat such as this Razer Goliath mat that I already reviewed once. I will be glad to hear the opinion of those of you who consider themselves as hardcore gamers about this mouse, so I will be able to realize what's important to you when using a mouse while playing a specific game, and if it has any effect on the performance and the overall gaming experience. But overall, for the beginner gamer and those of you who likes the design of this mouse and wants to use it for other purposes such as daily use and editing on your computer, like I used it most of the time, this is a great mouse for a same budget from a brand that offers great products that are affordable, durable, and gives great value for your money. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review about the EasySMX V18 wired gaming mouse. For further information about this item, please check the description to the video. I also invite you to comment on this video, give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channels, and follow my profile pages. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!